Could we have Reverend Anita's attention, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Reverend Anita's attention. Congratulations.
I'm a reverend. Reverend Antilia. Congratulations. And it's not a card from here. Ah.
Look, she can't read it.
I am reading it. Oh, see, Sonia too. No. That was Sonia's. Oh, so happy you fulfilled your dream.
Okay, thanks.
Oh, mankind will benefit. That's true. Okay, now this one's going to be hard.
Is it mine?
And I'm so proud I was able to be a part of your special...
Yes, sir. You run a check.
Thanks to my fancy phone. I don't know what that word is, Adam. Oh,
Yeah.
thanks, doll. You're so sweet to me.
Yes, sir.
Like a real gift. This can't be good.
Turn around. No,
This is the best gift ever. Oh, I'm hanging that up in my living room. This is. Look at that. I could go to the hospital for that bomb threat. I could have got in. Oh, this
either
is
side.
wonderful. Oh, I'm not even going to make y'all pay me. What's this? Oh. Hold on. This better be extra small. Oh, this is going to Let's put this on right now. This is going to be so good. It's what's in the dolls.
Okay, now I got to take your picture.